In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your QuickBooks won't reconcile if your reconciliation keeps getting stuck or shows a difference you can't clear. This walkthrough will help you navigate the exact place in QuickBooks where reconciliation happens and show you how to enter the right details and match transactions with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to your company's dashboard. From here, look to the top right for the gear icon, which is the Settings menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the tools you'll use to manage your books, including reconciliation. Open the Settings menu and choose Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation screen. You'll use this page to compare what's in QuickBooks to what appears on your bank or credit card statement. Think of it as lining up two lists so they agree exactly. Before you do anything else, carefully fill in the required fields. Select the exact account you're reconciling, like a specific bank or credit card. Enter the statement ending balance and the statement ending date exactly as they appear on your bank statement. Take a moment to glance at the beginning balance shown by QuickBooks. It should match the beginning balance on your statement. If it doesn't, that mismatch is a common reason reconciliations fail. It usually means a previous period was changed or something was added or deleted after being reconciled. Catching that now saves you time later. With those details in place, begin reviewing your transactions. In the reconciliation list, check off or highlight each transaction that appears on your bank statement. Work methodically, usually from top to bottom by date, and match amounts exactly. If you see duplicates, unexpected amounts, or items dated outside the statement period, pause and verify them against your statement. Sorting by date or amount and using the search or filter options can make it easier to find the entries you need. As you mark transactions, watch the difference amount at the top of the screen. Your goal is for that number to move towards zero. When everything on your statement is checked off and the difference reads zero, you're ready to finish. That's the signal that your books and your bank agree for this period, and your reconciliation should complete without errors. If the difference won't resolve, don't force it. Go back through the statement line by line, confirm the ending balance and date you entered, and look for any edits to previously reconciled items. Small corrections in the details are often what clear the roadblock. Follow these steps carefully, take your time matching each transaction, and your QuickBooks reconciliation will go smoothly.